Now we complete the equipotential line. Alright, so now after we have the flow net, we need to determine the quantity of seepage from the flow net. Alright, so to get the quantity of seepage, okay, it can be calculated by using the following equation. We have the Q equal to K times H times NF over ND. What is Q? Q is the quantity of seepage. It can be in a unit of meter cube per second. It can be cm cube per second, meter cube per minute. Okay. The coefficient K. K is the coefficient of mobility. The unit also can be in mm per second, can be in cm per second, can be mm per hour. It's a distance over time unit. And H is the head causing the flow. Okay, the difference. The H is the difference between upstream and downstream, the head loss. This is the H. Okay, and the NF is the numbers of flow lines, and ND is the numbers of equipotential line. So now we already have the flow nets. So now we need to know how many numbers of flow line, how many equipotential line. Okay, so how to determine the NF? So look at this. Okay, the green line, okay, the flow line. Okay, so this considered as the first flow line. Then this is another flow line, and we have another flow line. And also we need to consider the border, the boundary at the bottom also as a flow line. So we have 4 flow line, and F will equal to 4. Then need to determine the ND. Okay, look. Okay, so for the ND, start with the boundary at the top, 0, and then this is the first line, the second line, the third line, the fourth line of equipotential, the fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and also don't forget the boundary at the top, 11. So we have ND, the numbers of equipotential line is equal to 11. So now we have NF and ND, we have NF and ND, we know the H, we know the K. So now we can calculate the Q. The K is given in the question, 7.2 exponent negative 3 mm per second. Okay, now we have everything. Okay, we have the NF, we have the ND, we have the K. So now let's calculate the Q. So H, 5.5 minus 0.5. Okay, because this is our H. Alright, and then the coefficient K, 7.2 exponent negative 3 mm per second. See, we need to change the unit. Okay, the unit must be same for all the parameter. Okay, so mm second we change to meter per second, so we will have 7.2 exponent negative 6 meter per second. So now everything kita akan substitute in this equation. So K 7.2 exponent negative 6 meter per second. So we have H 5 meter and F 4 and ND 11. And we have 1 meter length because the calculations of the seepage is actually based on the 1 meter length of the sheet pile. Meaning that you can see this is the cross section. Okay. Actually we calculate it for the 1 meter length. Every 1 meter length. Okay. So that's why we will have the unit is meter cube per second. Okay. So for this exercise, you will have 1.31 exponent negative 5 meter cube per second for the seepage. Alright, okay. I will show you, there are few example of the flow nets. Okay, so this is an example of another flow net under the seepage. Okay, and also this is another example of the flow net under a concrete dam. How they draw the flow net, it's basically the same. Okay, the seepage or the flow net will based on the concrete dam. Okay, you can see the example and also how they get the equipotential line. And this one also the flow net under a dam with a cut-off curtain. We have the sheet pile here, and also we have the concrete dam. You can see how they draw the flow net under the sheet pile and then continue under the concrete dam, and then how the equipotential line is drawn here. Okay, when we have the concrete dam and also we have the sheet pile. And this is also an example of flow net for the earth dam. Okay, the seepage through the earth dam. We will go through this example also later. And for this first topic, I want you to understand how to draw the flow net and then how to calculate the seepage quantity first. Then we will continue with the pore pressure distribution and other parameters. So please answer this exercise to ensure I want to check whether you understand or not how to draw the flow net and to calculate the seepage quantity.